10 minutes as a fraction of 1.5 hours. From the SI unit table for time, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1.5 hours will be equal to 1.5 hours times 60 minutes all over 1 hour. Simplifying, 1 hour divided by 1 hour will give us 1, and 1.5 hours divided by 1 hour will give us 1.5. This equals 1.5 times 60 minutes. To improper fraction will be equal to 3/2 times 60 minutes. Simplifying, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, and 60 divided by 2 will give us 30. Then 3 times 30 minutes will be equal to 90 minutes. Now let's express 10 minutes as a fraction of 90 minutes. To express 10 minutes as a fraction of 90 minutes means 10 minutes divided by 90 minutes. Simplifying, 90 minutes divided by 10 minutes will give us 9, and 10 minutes divided by 10 minutes will give us 1, which equals 1/9. Therefore, 1/9 is 10 minutes expressed as a fraction of 1.5 hours.